is okay. First of all, we'll discuss is this simple query wizard. Why do we use it? For example, let's look over here. Let's say you get a question that says that create a graph or a chart that will display the customer ID and the count of customer ID and the total of the or total of the party number. बात समझे हो? Now इसके there are multiple ways. पहले मैं आपको तरीका बता देता हूँ. I can simply come to query wizard. Simple query, add bookings table. Obviously it's added. We add the customer ID. You know that, and we need to add the party number. Fine. Next, come to summary options, and you will see over here we can calculate the sum.
Average, mean.
And yeah, we can either of these. Okay, Kia. And next, finish. We get the customer ID, we get the sum of the party, and we get how many times it's appearing. How many times this is appearing? How many times? This is appearing 4 times. Now, maybe the examiner might even say that create a graph or a chart of all those booking appearing more than once. So I'll do is I'll come over here and I'll say greater than 1. I get this, and then I can export this and make a graph of this. You get the point? Okay. At times, okay, this is perfectly fine. Now, this will work when you have to make compare between a column that has text and with a column that has numbers. Okay, it cannot compare both with the text or both with the number. You let's say get stuck.
Count records तो कर सकते हैं maybe.
वो मैं आपको हाँ count records उसके लिए बेहतर तरीका ये है, उसके लिए बेहतर तरीका ये. Add the booking table, for example. Let me add the customer ID. I get the following. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
And now if I want to just use this and count, then what I can do is click on totals, add the customer ID again, group by, and say over here count. Okay, you probably will discuss in the class as well. आप समझ आइए? Now this means I don't need another field to compare. I can simply now count this and all that. ठीक है? You know that, you know this. समझ आ गई? What is cross tab? Cross tab is something different. I'll just first of all give you a demonstration.